Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to get your money from Underdog Fantasy. First of all, log into your account. Open the Underdog Fantasy app or go to underdogfantasy.com on your browser. Then log in using your account credentials. After that, go to the wallet or account section. Tap on profile icon or go to wallet section from the menu. Now look for the withdraw or cash out option in the wallet section. Select your preferred payment method like PayPal, bank transfer, or other available options. Enter your amount you want to withdraw. Double check the amount and proceed by tapping submit or withdraw to complete the request. After submission, your funds will be processed. You will receive a confirmation or notification when your money is transferred. And that's it. Thanks for watching.